Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Chat. Today, we're learning English in the most natural way, slow, clear, and full of real-life stories. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Your support helps us bring you long, fun English conversations every day.
Yes, take a deep breath, relax, sit comfortably. Today we're going to talk about real English. Not textbook English, but the kind filled with bad days, funny mistakes, embarrassing moments, and the type of stories that make you laugh and learn at the same time.
Hassan, I swear, today was the worst day of my life.
Uh-oh, what happened? You look like someone canceled your Wi-Fi.
Worse. I woke up late, rushed to the office, forgot breakfast, and then spilled coffee on my white shirt. And not a small drop, a huge brown island.
So your fashion style today was coffee continent?
Stop. I looked like a walking map. People were staring at me like I had invented a new design.
Maybe you started a trend called latte splash style.
Hassan, I'm serious. Then, during the meeting, I wanted to say, let's discuss the project. But instead I said, let's disgust the project.
So you basically told everyone the project is gross.
Yes, and my boss looked confused like, why are we discussing the project?
Rima, your English went on vacation today.
Okay, now tell me your embarrassing moment. Make me feel better.
Oh, trust me, mine is legendary. Last week I was at a restaurant. I wanted to say, can I get some water? But because I was nervous, I accidentally said, can I get some, hot waiter?
Screams, laughing. No way, you asked for a hot waiter?
Yes, the waiter stood there like I confessed my love for him. He even took a step back.
Hassan, only you can create romantic moments by mistake.
But wait, that's not the worst. My biggest English disaster happened at the airport.
I'm listening.
Immigration officer asked, "What is the purpose of your visit?" I wanted to say tourism, but my brain shut down. My mouth said terrorism.
You did not just say that.
I did. The officer looked at me like I was the final boss of a video game. I immediately started spelling like a crazy person. No. Tourism, tourism.
Rima, they probably still remember you.
I know. My photo is probably in their do not embarrass yourself list.
You know, sometimes English feels like a friend, sometimes like an enemy.
And sometimes like an angry cat that scratches when you least expect it.
Yesterday, I texted my friend, I'm excited for tonight, but autocorrect changed it to, I'm excited for toilet.
I dies laughing. That is not excitement. That is emergency.
I know. My friend replied, good luck.
But honestly, Rima, these mistakes are good.
Yes, because they make learning memorable.
Exactly. The more we mess up, the better we become.
And the more we laugh, the easier English feels.
Much easier.
Tell me another one. I know you have more.
Fine. One time I met a foreigner. He said, nice to meet you. I wanted to say, nice to meet you too, but I accidentally said, nice to meet your shoe.
Did you shake his hand or his shoe?
I wanted to disappear from the planet.
Don't worry. I once told someone I'm hungry, but I accidentally said I'm angry.
Hungry, angry. That's normal. It's called hangry.
You see, real English is full of funny mistakes. That's what makes it beautiful.
Yes, because perfect English is boring.
And impossible.
And unnatural.
And honestly, no one speaks perfect English, not even native speakers.
True. They say,
kinda, gonna, all the time.
Meanwhile, we are here trying to sound like English robots.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned that a bad day can become a funny story.
Mistakes can become memories,
Embarrassing moments can become lessons.
and laughter makes English easier.
Much easier.
Thank you so much for listening to our crazy stories today.
If you enjoyed this natural English conversation,
Please like the video
subscribe to English Chat.
and share it with someone who needs a laugh.
Remember,
Real English is not perfect,
real English is human.
and sometimes very funny.
See you in the next lesson.